Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to access the Find feature on Google Sheets. You can check out column I for right now directions. I'm going to take you step by step. So the first way that we can access this feature is by going up to this main menu and clicking on Edit. We're going to go all the way to the bottom and it will say Find and Replace. This box will populate. We're just going to pay attention to the first box right now. Everything else in this little box is a video for later on. So I want to search for the number 2 in my data. So I enter that data in. When I do that and I click on find, you can see that where that data is now has a blue box around it. And that is how you access this feature one way. And the shortcut key for Windows users, this may be different on a Mac computer. You can always just Google that if you're running a Mac operating system. You can, on your keyboard, there's two shortcuts actually. You can do Control F and this little box will populate, and it does look a little different from when we went to the edit menu. And then you can also hit Control H and this will bring you up to this box that we've seen previously. And that is how you access the Find feature in Google Sheets. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful too. Thank you. Bye.